Looking to shed some pounds naturally, you might have come across the natural zip bound recipe for weight loss. But is it a real effective solution or just another online scheme? We did some digging to find out. The natural zip bound recipe claims to be a home drink that can help you lose weight. It's said to combine everyday ingredients like green tea, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, ginger, cayenne pepper, raw honey, or stevia. The idea is that these ingredients work together to boost metabolism, curb appetite, and support fat burn. The key ingredients of natural Zepbound recipe are green tea, which are rich in catechins, natural compounds that increase fat oxidation and boost metabolism. While second ingredient is apple cider vinegar, which you have to use 1 tablespoon. It contains acetic acid which helps regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin spikes after mix. It also supports digestion and improves gut microbiota balance, which is a key for weight loss and inflammation control. The third ingredient is lemon juice, which is high in vitamin C, which aids in fat metabolism and supports liver detoxification. It helps reduce bloating and water retention by balancing electrolytes. Ginger boosts thermogenesis, assisting the body in burning more calories throughout the day. It also supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and promotes gut health. While the another ingredient is cayenne pepper, which you have take a pinch. It contains capsaicin, a powerful metabolism booster known to increase fat burning and reduce appetite. While the another ingredient is raw honey or stevia, it is an option as per your choice. It is a natural sweetener that do not cause blood sugar spikes. Honey provides antioxidant and has antibacterial properties that support gut health. Now there is a step-by-step preparation guide through which you can prepare zip-bound recipe. Firstly, you have to prepare a cup of tea. Align it to a steep for 3 to 5 minutes before cooling slightly to preserve catechin stability. Now you have to combine the ingredients in a glass and mix green tea, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and grated ginger. Now, add a pinch of cayenne pepper to enhance the metabolic activation. Now you can add raw honey or stevia to moderate acidity while maintaining metabolic integrity if desired. For optimal results, consume this formula in the morning on an empty stomach or 30 minutes. Now, clinical studies show that zip-bound can help people lose 15 to 21% of their body weight in about a year and a half. Patient reviews of zip-bound report significant weight loss and appetite changes, though some experience intense nausea and other gastrointestinal side effects, especially at the beginning. Doctors prescribing zip-bound emphasize its effectiveness for weight loss and overall metabolic health, especially when combined with lifestyle changes like diet and exercise. But some advertisements suggest dramatic weight loss results like losing 53 pounds in 3 months. So, however, these claims are not credibly However, these claims are not supported by credible scientific evidence. Such promises often serve as red flags for potential scams, like using made-up stories for false credibility. Like the personal account of Megan Logers, who relates her story of losing 53 pounds, has been completely fact. Her dramatic before and post images are not available elsewhere online apart from this shady advertisement. The creation of fake success stories is a common tactic used by scammers to create false claims of tangible results. Another is the idea that weight loss industries trying to conceal this recipe in order to keep profits in checks place and to people's predisposition to conspiracy theories. The use of generalizations regarding celebrities who use this recipe to lose weight will tap into fascination of people with kids. However, no particular celebrity has been a fan of this recipe. Celebrity photos that have been altered are frequently employed without permission to provide credibility. The claim that it's accessible at no cost for a limited period and will eventually be removed uses methods of high pressure to convince people to click on the video immediately prior to analyze their claims. The idea of losing 53 pounds over 3 months or 37 laps in 21 days with no effort is appealing to desire of people for quick and easy weight loss. However, these claims aren't supported by any valid research. A statement that states this recipe is accessible for free for a short time and it will eventually be removed using methods of high pressure to convince people to click on the video immediately before analyzing the links. These false claims and manipulative tactics used in natural zip-bound recipe aids can make even the most knowledgeable consumers fall prey to this fraud. While the individual ingredients in the natural zip-bound recipe have some evidence supporting their potential benefits, the overall claims and marketing tactics raise concerns. The recipe isn't inherently harmful, but the exaggerated promises and associated schemes make it costly. If you are considering natural remedies for weight loss, it's essential to approach them with caution. Focus on balanced diet, regular exercise, and consult healthcare professionals before trying new supplements or recipes. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay informed, stay safe,